This Model 15 Pro distance-sensitive lineup is damaged, causes the original color function to not work properly. The compass function also does not work. Now let's fix this problem. Take out the LB distance-sensitive lineup and replace the damaged lineup. Then take out the LB L3 Programmer and install the small board with the corresponding function. Install distance-sensitive lineup to L3 post-test. Click Test. If the display is normal, it means the cable can work normally. Use the engineering cable to connect the host and the mobile phone. After connecting, the host will automatically read the mobile phone data. Click the right button to write data. After writing, click Test. If exists data is displayed, it means the data has been written successfully. Install distance-sensitive lineup on your phone for testing. Power on test. You can see that the original color function has returned to normal. Compass function returns to normal use. If the distance-sensitive lineup is damaged, you can replace the LB distance-sensitive lineup to solve this problem.